Hi everyone. So this is my machine learning project using Python. As we all know that a machine learning project is divided into 5 steps. That is, first step is data processing. Second step is defining error. Third step is splitting the data into training dataset and test dataset. The fourth step is to train the module and the fifth step is prediction. So as we can see in this project, here I have imported all the required libraries that are going to be used in this project. I have imported NumPy as NP. So in our project, we are going to, wherever we are going to use NumPy, we are going to name it at and we are calling that NumPy library using NP. Same way, pandas as PD, matplotlib as MPL, and all the required libraries are imported here. And the second step is to load the data. So here the data set is already present in the matplotlib.library. So I have imported just writing the name of the data set, and the data set is imported here. As you can see, this data set has 506 observations. And the third step um, is to calculate the feature. The feature is the feature is the property which is very close to the data set. So we are going to see what are the features here, and then the target value, and then we are going to concatenate the feature and target value here. As we can see a relationship that which feature is more appropriate with the target value, which feature is more close to the target value, and then we are going to round the all the data into value of 2 decimal places so that the data will be more appropriate. So here we have just plotted the graph to see that which feature is more near to the target. As we can see that LSTAT is the most near to the target value. So we are going to just normalize this value so that the target and so that the target and feature are in the same data format, so that there is not much difference between the target and the feature data set, so that the performing of the operations will be easier. Now here we have defined the error. Here we have used mean squared error function as we are using linear regression here. And the fourth step is here we have splitted the training and test data set into two different parts. These all functions are already present in the library of Python, so we didn't have to write much program about it. And the next step is to we have defined here the update function. We have to update the value of this m and x and c, so that we are getting an updated value, and thus the model will be trained in proper way. And here we have just trained the module, and we have given all the error values, so that if there will be an error, the module will know, and it will come out of that. And second, and here we have just plotted all the graphs. As you can see, it's the test data set. We have plotted the graph of test data set. Here you can see that we have plotted the graph of training of the training data set, that data which we are using to train our model. Now the fifth step is prediction. So here we have prediction is the value which we'll be using. It's not a value, it's just a prediction of which we have calculated, and we'll set these values, feed these values in the module, and we'll check that whether our module is performing well or not. So here we have just put given this predicted value, and that's all about the project. Thank you.